Jack. He's a mate of mine. He's the best mate a man could ask for. Anyway, I'm sure.
You'll go there with me, then?
Aye. Aye, I'll go.
Are you scared, Paddy?
Aye, I am. I was scared in the war and all. And you?
Terrified.
You went there?
That's right.
But why, Jack?
I picked up Paddy's medal on the way home. It was only right he got it back.
But you might have been killed.
Not me. I'm not joining them.
No, me.
Did you see Charlie Stubbs? Oh, well, what he's never had, he'll never miss. Poor Sid Hepburn.
Poor? And what he's getting?
Scared, Sid is. Terrified. From what his CO told me, he was after a swap.
What do you mean?
If you and me went in, he got his discharge. At least I think it was that.
Why, they're rotten.
Ah, he was scared, Matt. I wouldn't blame him. But after I saw Paddy's mates this morning...
I went round to see him last night, and he had a hard one with him.
You went to see Paddy Boyle?
Aye, last night. Like I said, he had an Irish fellow with him. Lynch, his name was.
Have a few drinks, did you?
Lynch had a bottle. What are you after?
The thing I heard today, the sort of thing you learn about in intelligence. They were going to belt us at their club to find out where Sid Hepburn and his mate were staying. Only Paddy speaks up for me. We don't need that, he says. Now, why wouldn't they need that, Matt? Because you'd already told them, hadn't you?
Of course not.
Hadn't you?
Well, mate, there's an awful lot to drink,
You
Jack.
daft bloody fool.
Some people won't take no for an answer.
Well, Jessie,
I'm sorry for disturbing you.
you're not disturbing us. Put the kettle on, Dolly.
No, please. I just want to ask, is it true
Is what true?
that you're joining the Black and
You
Tans?
think I should?
You mustn't.
I'm not allowed to do anything, am I? I can't join the bus class. I can't bash the Irish either, is that it? Don't worry, I'm not going to join that lot. My wars is over.
Are they, Jack? Anyway, I'm glad. Sorry for disturbing you, Mrs. Ford.
You're very welcome, I'm sure.
I'll let myself out. You're really not joining?
Cross me heart and hope.
That's all right, then. It would have destroyed you, Jack.
Well, of all the nerve!
Just belt up, will you?
Belt up! If you think I'm going to have your fancy woman
We've
coming
got
round
40
here...
years left to have rows. I said belt up. 6 o'clock, he said, no later than 6. I suppose you told him that and all. How are you?
Well, we're going, Jack.
Station, you bloody fool. Where else?
I've got to get away out of this.
Behind you, Paddy man, behind you!
Mons and Weibers, Cambrai and the Somme. And the poor bugger had to buy the bloody railway station.
Well, at least Sid Hepburn got his discharge. Pity poor Paddy had to get his and all.
Dance to the daddy, sing to the mommy, dance to the daddy, to the mommy, sing. Thou shalt have the fishy on a little dishy, thou shalt have the fishy when the boat comes in. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy, thou shalt have a haddock when the boat comes in. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy, thou shalt have a bloater when the boat comes in. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy, thou shalt have a mackerel when the boat comes in. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy, thou shalt have a salmon when the boat comes in.